In this section, we're going to take a sneak peek at Mograph. So what is Mograph? Well, it's an add-on module for motion graphics in Cinema 4D. Now, according to Maxon, it has a powerful set of tools that make it easy to create anything from flying logos to abstract effects. And at the heart of Mograph is a powerful yet simple cloner tool. You can easily create live copies of any object, arranged along a line, circle, grid, object, or spline. Each object performs its own invaluable function for motion graphics artists, and each can be fully controlled by Mograph effectors. Now, effectors can be applied to almost any Mograph generator to effortlessly bring your Mograph creations to life. This was done with Mograph. The modeling was done in Cinema 4D, but the way that these pieces are coming in, they're animating in, and the way they're sort of springing, have that little spring to them, that's done with Mograph. Here is another animation. This was all done with Cinema 4D and Mograph. So the way that the sphere not only disappears, and the way that the Nalco animates in, sort of comes in from nothing. Also, the way that the continents are attached to the globe. This is all part of Mograph. So over the next few movies, we'll just take a look at some of the main components to Mograph, and we're going to go over what I consider to be the most important must-know portions of the module. So let's get started.